Hello guys, very good morning to you. Today we will discuss about the current affairs of September month one liner. Okay guys, let's start. According to the SIPRI report released on September 1st, 2021, which country has become Asia's largest importer of arms? That is India. Who will preside over the meeting of the United Nations Security Council? Harshvardhan Singh Sringla. In which state assembly on September 1st, 2021, the centre has passed a resolution against the agriculture laws? Tamil Nadu. Who was appointed as the executive director of RBI on September 1st, 2021? Ajay Kumar. Which state's cabinet has announced Mera Kam Mera Maan Yojana for unemployed youth on September 1st, 2021? Punjab. Which country has become the Asia's largest importer of arms according to the report of SIPRI released on September 1st? India. Which bank has opened a floating ATM at Dal Lake? SBI. On September 1st, 2021, Savarna Roy has won the Times Excellence Award 2021. Who are they? Writer. Who has become the new director of Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research on September 1st, 2021? B. Venkatraman. On September 1st, 2021, which state government has announced to provide free water to its citizens? Goa. On September 1st, 2021, who has become the first district to vaccinate 100% of the eligible population? Indore. Who has been chosen by Adidas for its Stay in Play campaign on September 1st, 2021? Mirabai Chanu. On September 1st, 2021, which state government has set a target of achieving 100% literacy by 2030? That is Nagaland. How many people have been selected for the Raman Magsaysay Award on September 1st, 2021? 5. Which Bangladesh vaccine scientist has been awarded by the Raman Magsaysay Award 2021? Firdausi Qadri. Which day was celebrated on 2nd September? World Coconut Day. Which actor who was the winner of Big Boss 13 died on September 2nd, 2021 at the age of 40? Siddharth Shukla. Kajin 21 joint military exercise between India and which country has started on September 2nd, 2021? Kazakhstan. On September 2nd, 2021, Governor of which Union Territory has inaugurated the initiative named Saath? Jammu Kashmir. Which IIT has developed the world first plant-based smart air purifier on September 2nd, 2021? IIT Ropar. Who got the first place in the World University Ranking released by Times Higher Education? Oxford University, UK. Which country has declared a food emergency on 2nd September due to foreign exchange crisis and rising food prices? Sri Lanka. On September 2nd, 2021, who has become the first women engineer of India to work in a coal mine? Akansha Kumari, Jharkhand. Which Ladakh administration has declared as its state animal on September 2nd, 2021? Snow leopard. With which country India has conducted the 28th edition of the naval exercise Simbex in the South China Sea? Singapore. Who is hosting the Bright Star multinational joint military exercise with 21 countries in the Mediterranean Sea? Egypt. Which state's Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park has been renamed as Orang National Park on September 2nd, 2021? Assam. Who has become the highest goal scorer football player on September 3rd, 2021? Cristiano Ronaldo. Which space agency's Mars rover received the first stone sample for return on September 3, 2021? NASA. Where will the 12th Defense Expo 2022 be organized as announced on September 3, 2021? Gandhinagar, Gujarat. On September 3, 2021, who has become the first Indian female athlete to win 2 Paralympic medals? Avni Lakhera. In which event did Avni Lakhera win a bronze medal at the Tokyo Paralympics? 50-meter rifle pre-position at SH1. Who has won the World Photographer of the Year 2021 awards on September 3rd, 2021? Alejandro Prieto. Which state government has launched Atmanirbhar Krishi Yojana on September 3rd, 2021? Arunachal Pradesh. Which ministry launched Ayush Aapke Dwar campaign on September 3rd, 2021? Ministry of Ayush. PM Modi released a commemorative coin of how many rupees on the birth anniversary of Swami Prabhupada? Rupees 125. Which country hosted the International Climate Summit 2020 to 21 held on September 3rd, 2021? India. In which country will the TUCN World Conservation Congress 2020 be organized from September 3rd to 11, 2021? France. Which day was celebrated on 4 September 2021? International Vulture Awareness Day. According to the information, where is the world's largest floating solar park being built? On Omkareshwar Dam, MP. Which High Court has asked the Centre to declare the cow as the national animal on September 4th, 2021? Allahabad High Court. Which state government has approved 27% reservation for OBC on September 4th, 2021? Madhya Pradesh. On September 4th, 2021, in which city the Maharashtra government has announced to set up a science city after Rajiv Gandhi? Pune. Who has launched digital skilling program Springboard? Infosys. Which state government has launched the Be the Warriors campaign on September 5, 2021? Kerala. On whose birthday Teachers' Day was celebrated across the country on September 5th, 2021? Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Which ministry launched the Vibrate or Yoga Break app on September 5th? Ministry of Ayush by Sarbanand Sonowal. In which state Karbi Anglong Agreement has been signed on September 5th, 2021? Assam. Which day was celebrated on September 5th? International Charity Day. Which wildlife sanctuary of Assam has been declared as environmentally sensitive area? Deepor Bhil Wildlife Sanctuary. Which Indian ship participated in the first naval exercise held between India and Algeria on September 5, 2021? INS Tabar. In which state the foundation stone of the first electric vehicle charging station has been laid on September 5, 2021? Meghalaya. Which company has won the Association for Talent Development 2021 Best Award on September 5th, 2021? Power Grid. Which country topped the Tokyo Paralympic 2020? China. Who was the Indian flag bearer at the closing ceremony of Tokyo Paralympic 2020 held on September 5th, 2021? Amni Lakhera. How many medals did India win in Tokyo Paralympic Games? 19. On September 6, 2021, China, Pakistan, Thailand and which country together started military exercise Shared Destiny 2021? Mongolia. Which state government has announced a ban on online gambling and betting on September 6, 2021? Karnataka. In which state the ITBP team has successfully climbed Mount Balbela on September 6, 2021? Uttarakhand. Between which two countries the fourth edition of Naval OSINDEX began on 6 September 2021? India, Australia. Who has become the first Asian country to launch a plastic agreement on September 6, 2021? India. On September 6, 2021, Lavlina Borgen has become the brand ambassador on which state Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan? Assam. Willow cricket bat of which UTs will be given a GI tag? Kashmir. Which country's construction film has made asphalt with floral fragrance on September 7, 2021? Poland. The Chief Minister of which state has launched Go to Hills 2.0 outreach campaign on September 7, 2021? Manipur. Which country celebrated Independence Day on September 7? Brazil. In which state India's first Dugong Conservation Reserve has been announced to be established on September 7? Tamil Nadu. Where India's first biobrick based building has started on September 7, 2021? IIT Hyderabad. Which country has become the first country to make the Bitcoin a national currency on September 7, 2021? El Salvador. Which day was celebrated on 8 September? International Literacy Day. Which state has launched Vatan Prem Yojana? Gujarat. Who has been appointed by Taliban as its new Prime Minister in Afghanistan on September 8, 2021? Mullah Hassan Okhand. Which state government has appointed Rajneesh Kumar as economic advisor on September 8, 2021? Andhra Pradesh. Which country has become the first country in the world to vaccinate second-year-old children on September 8, 2021? Cuba. Which Indian biologist has won the Global Award in Turtle Conservation on September 8, 2021? Shailendra Singh. Who has become the fastest Indian bowler to take 100 wickets in Test cricket on September 8, 2021? Jasprit Bumrah. Who has received the 7th Yamin Hazarika Woman of Substance Award on September 8, 2021? Namita Gokhale. Who has honored with the International Young Eco Hero Award of the year 2021? Ayan Shankta, Mumbai. In which country did the Indian Army participate in the multinational military exercise Japan 2021? Russia. Which state government has launched Pran Vayu Devta Pension Yojana to save trees on September 9, 2021? Haryana. In which city India's tallest air purifier has been installed on September 9, 2021, Chandigarh. What is the theme of Himalaya Day celebrated on 9 September 2021? Contribution of Himalayas and our responsibilities. 9 September 2021, the death anniversary of Subramaniam Bharati has been declared as which day in Tamil Nadu? Mahakavi Divas. Where is the world's largest carbon dioxide capturing plant started on September 9, 2021? Iceland. Which country has launched the Earth observation satellite Gofen 502 on 9 September 2021? China. Which country has decided to legalize small scale cannabis cultivation on September 9, 2021? Italy. Who has presided over the 13th BRICS summit? Narendra Modi. Which campaign has been launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs for street vendors? मैं भी Digital 3.0. Which day was celebrated on September 10, 2021? World Suicide Prevention Day. Which country's Supreme Court has declared abortion illegal on September 10, 2021? Mexico. It's a good work by Mexico. Who won the Women Award for Fiction 2021 on September 10, 2021? British writer Susanna Clarke for the novel Piranesi. India's first emergency landing facility has been inaugurated on September 10, 2021 on the National Highway Satta Gandha section on NH 925 Barmer, Rajasthan. Who has become the first state to implement cyber security in the power sector on September 10, 2021? That is MP. Which state has become the first to test vaccine supplied by drone on September 10, 2021? Telangana. Which state government has launched a seroprevalence study to assess the spread of COVID on September 11, 2021? Kerala. In which country has Debojyoti Mishra won the Best Music Director Award on September 11, 2021? Spain. In which state Nokai festival has been celebrated? Odisha. On September 11, 2021, Denmark and Tamil Nadu have planned to build an energy island in which day? In which bay? Gulf of Mannar. Which day was celebrated on September 11? World First Aid Day. According to the report on September 11, 2021, what percentage of India's industrial production has increased in July 2021? 11.5%. On September 11, 2021, PM Modi inaugurated Sardar Dam Bhavan through video conferencing in which city? Ahmedabad. Which ministry has launched the program बुजुर्गों की बात देश से on September 12, 2021? Ministry of Culture. Just check this word. What is this? Who has been appointed as the mentor of Indian team for the T20 World Cup 2021? Mahendra Singh Dhoni. On September 12, 2021, President Kovind honored Indian Naval Aviation with the President's Color Award at INS Hansa, Goa. Which bank has launched all-in-one sweeping machine Wise POSGO for MSME customers? Karnataka Bank. Which Indian origin Australian citizen has been appointed as the judge of Supreme Court of Australia? Hemant Dhanchi. On September 12, 2021, experts from the United States have started the search for the oldest ice on which continent? Antarctica. In which city Punjab's first breast milk pump bank has been opened for newborn babies on 12 September 2021? Ludhiana. The world's largest blood testing center has been started on September 13, 2021. Britain. Where is India's largest open air furnace opened? Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. Who won the men's single title in the US Open Tennis 2021 held on September 13, 2021? Daniil Medvedev. Russia. Who won the women's singles title in US Open Tennis 2021 held on September 13, 2021? Emma Raducanu, UK. Who has won Indian Grand Prix 2021? Daniel Ricciardo. Maybe Ricciardo. Which day was celebrated on 14 September? Hindi Divas. Which day has started Bajra Mission? Chhattisgarh. India and which country have started the climate action and the finance mobilization dialogue on September 14, 2021? America. Which state has stopped in the installing solar pumps under PM Kusum Yojana on September 14, 2021? Haryana. Who has become the first golfer to get the golden visa of Dubai on September 14, 2021? G. Milkha Singh. Which education board has been awarded UNESCO Literacy Award on September 14, 2021? NIOIS. Who was awarded the Swami Brahmanand Award 2021 on September 14, 2021? Anand Kumar, founder of Super 30. Which state government has increased the reservation of women in government jobs from 30 to 40% on September 14? Tamil Nadu. Which day was celebrated on 15 September 2021? International Day of Democracy. Who was awarded the prestigious Rajbhasha Kirti Puruskar on September 15, 2021? National Mineral Development Limited. Who got the golden visa of Dubai on September 15? Boni Kapoor. Engineers Day was celebrated on 15 September 2021 to commemorate whose birth anniversary? Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. On September 15, 2021, the Union Cabinet has approved 100% FDI in which sector? Telecom sector. Who has launched Project Udaan September 15? IIT Bombay. Which payment bank has launched FASTag based metro parking facility on September 15, 2021? Paytm Payment Bank. Who has been appointed as the acting president of the Asia Olympic Council on September 15, 2021? Raja Ranveer Singh. Which three Indians have been included in the list of 100 most influential people released by Time magazine on September 15, 2021? Narendra Modi, Mamata Banerjee, and Adar Poonawala. On September 15, 2021, PM Narendra Modi launched a new channel by combining Lok Sabha TV and Rajya Sabha TV, Sansad TV. Which state has started dry ration scheme? Odisha. Which day was celebrated on 16 September, World Ozone Day? Which state government has launched Maitri Bhumi Yojana to strengthen infrastructure on 16 September 2021? Uttar Pradesh. Where Selfie with Temple campaign has started? Uttarakhand. On September 16, 2021, Tata Steel has commissioned India's first plant for CO2 capture in Jamshedpur. Which country has been suspended from the 2022 Winter Olympics by the International Olympic Committee? North Korea. On September 16, 2021, US, UK and which country have jointly announced the formation of security partnership? AUKUS. Australia. Where India's largest floating solar PV plant has been commissioned on September 16, 2021? Andhra Pradesh. Who has issued the India's first Euro green bond on September 16, 2021? Power Finance Corporation. Who has launched the digital commerce platform Equinox on September 16, 2021? Infosys. Which country's former cricketer Michael Holding has retired from the commentary on September 16, 2021? West Indies. Which day was celebrated on 17 September 2021? World Patient Safety Day and Hyderabad Liberation Day. Where was the 21st meeting of the Council of Head of State of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization held? Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Which has become the fifth largest stock market in the world on September 17, 2021? India. On September 17, 2021, who has announced to build 5,000 EV charging stations in the next 3 years? HPCL. Who tops the FIFA ranking released on 17 September? Belgium. Who has acquired US-based coding platform TYNKER Byju's? Who has been appointed Lokpal of DDCA? Indu Malhotra. On September 17, in which state Guru Ghasidas National Park has been made the 53rd tiger reserve of the country? Chhattisgarh. That is important. Which state has celebrated the 143rd birth anniversary of E.V. Ramaswamy as Social Justice Day on September 17? Tamil Nadu. Which day was celebrated on 18 September? The World Bamboo Day. Who has become the president of the International Civil Aviation Organization on September 18? Saif Ali Juneja, Indian. Who has been appointed as the CMD of National Small Industries Corporation Limited on September 18, 2021? Alka Nagia Arora. Who won the Asian Snooker Championship 2021? Pankaj Advani. Which day was celebrated on 18 September 2021 with the importance of water? World Water Monitoring Day. Where was India's 61st Software Technology Park Center opened on September 18, 2021? Kohima, Nagaland. Where Khadi and Village Industries Commission has launched a scheme to empower the potter community? Varanasi. Who has been appointed by the United Nations as an advocate of the Sustainable Development Goals? Kailash Satyarthi. Which state Sirarakhong Hathai chili and Tamenglong orange have got GI tag on September 18, 2021. Special name really Manipur. Who has launched a mobile app named Pragat LIC? Which state Chhindwara University has been renamed as Raja Sankar Shah University on September 19? Madhya Pradesh. Who has become the first winner of Big Boss OTT? Divya Agrawal. Which state government has declared Katli fish as the state fish on September 19, 2021? Sikkim. Manika Shayokand has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador of which state for water conservation? Haryana. Which state has approved a bill to give 75% quota to local residents in private sector job on September 19, 2021? Jharkhand. Who has become the first women excavation engineer of India on September 19, 2021? Shivani Meena. Niti Aayog and who has partnered to provide free education in 112 aspirational districts of India on September 19, 2021? Byju's. Which country tops the Global Innovation Index 2021 released on 20 September 2021? Switzerland. India's rank 46. Who has been honored with the Ramakrishna Bajaj Memorial Award 2021 on September 20, 2021? Gautam Adani. Who became the 70th Grandmaster of India? R. Raja Ritwik. Which actor has been given an honorary doctorate in Hindu Studies by Hindu University of America on September 20? Anupam Kher. Who has been appointed as the Director of the Public Policy by Facebook India on September 2021? Rajiv Agrawal. The third edition of exercise Samudra Shakti was held between India and which country's navy on 20th September 2021? Indonesia. Which state is on top in the third State Food Security Index 2021 released by FSI on September 2021? Gujarat. Which day was celebrated on 21st September 2021? International Day of Peace and World Alzheimer's Day. Who is at the top of the ICC Women's Batting ranking released on September 2021? Mithali Raj. Who has become the 9th member country of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization on September 2021? Iran. Who has become the fastest Indian to conquer two peaks located in Africa and Russia on September 21, 2021? Geeta Samota. Who has become the first player to play 200 matches for an IPL team on September 21, 2021? Virat Kohli. Which ministry has launched a pan-India special campaign named Ek Pahal on September 21, 2021? Ministry of Law and Justice. Who has honored with the National Florence Nightingale Award 2020 on September 21, 2021? S.V. Saraswati. Which day was celebrated on September 22? World Rhino Day. Sana Ramchand Galwani became the first Hindu women civil servant of which country? Pakistan. Which state government has announced to set up an electronic park on September 22, 2021? Uttar Pradesh. Who won the title of the Norwegian Chess Open 2021 Masters class on September 22, 2021? India's D. UK's. Which two beaches of India have got the Blue Flag certification on September 22? Kovalam, Tamil Nadu and Eden, Puducherry. who has been appointed as the Secretary of the Ministry of Civil Aviation on September 22, 2021? Rajiv Bansal. According to the information of the September 22, 2021, a tea park is being set up in Chayagaon of which state? Assam. Which day was celebrated on 23rd September with the theme with Sign for Human Rights, International Sign Language Day? Which country's Feroz Fazia Bithar has received the Changemaker Award 2021 on September 23, 2021? Bangladesh. According to the report released on the September 23, 2021, who has become the highest paid footballer in 2021? Cristiano Ronaldo. Who won the title of the IBSF 6 Red Snooker World Cup 2021 held in Doha on September 23, 2021? Pankaj Advani. Who composed the official anthem song Live the Game and Love the Game for the ICC Men's T20? Amit Trivedi. Who has been honored with the SDG Progress Award on September 23, 2021? Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina. Where did the first edition of the Himalaya Film Festival 2021 begin on September 24, 2021? Leh Ladakh. According to the UN Food Agency report, in which country 16 million people are heading towards starvation? Yemen. In which state the Foundation for the Development of Parshuram Kund has been led on September 24, 2021? Arunachal Pradesh. A crater at the south pole of the moon on September 24, 2021 was named after Arctic explorer Matthew Hansen. Which country's former PM Gordon Brown has been appointed as WHO Ambassador for Global Health Financing, UK? Which state has approved agarwood policy 2021 to promote agarwood timber business on September 24, 2021? Tripura. The world's tallest electric vehicle charging station was inaugurated on 24 September 2021 in Kaza, Himachal Pradesh. On September 24, 2021, in which city of Odisha the first silk yarn production center has been set up? Cuttack. Who released a US based audiobook titled Jungle Nama on September 24, 2021? Amitav Ghosh. Who won the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Global Goalkeeper Award 2021? Fumjile Malabo Ankuka. Which day was celebrated on 25th September? World Pharmacist Day. Which session of the United Nations General Assembly was addressed by PM Modi in New York on September 25th? 76th. Where was the first National Cooperative Conference held on September 25th, 2021? New Delhi. Where has India's first Atal Community Innovation Center inaugurated on 25th September 2021? Jaipur. Who has been appointed as the Additional Director General of Coast Guard on September 25th, 2021? Virendra Singh Pathania. Antyodaya Divas was celebrated on 25th September 2021 to mark whose birth anniversary? Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Which country tops the Digital Quality of Life Index 2021 released on 25th September 2021? Denmark. India's rank is 59th. Where has the State Soil Testing Laboratory has been launched on September 25th, 2021? Kohima. On September 25th, 2021, India has signed an agreement for joint development of the small satellites for the which country? Bhutan. Who secured the first position in the civil services examination on September 25th, 2021? Shubham Kumar, Katiyar, Bihar. Which day was celebrated on 26th September 2021? World River Day and World Environment Health Day. Which state Sojat Mehdi has got GI tag? Rajasthan. Who has been appointed as the new commander of the Western Command of the Army on September 26, 2021? K. Khanduri. Which state government has launched Samarpan portal and the Hunar app on September 26, 2021? Haryana. Where was the North India's largest palmatum place to grow the tree variety palm? Inaugurated on September 26, Uttarakhand. India and which country has launched the task force on hydrogen and biofuels on 26 September 2021? America. On September 26, 2021, the CM of which state has announced the opening of Digital De-Addiction Center for Children? Kerala. Who has been selected as the most out-investing company in India in the survey conducted by Asia Money, HDFC Bank? CBSE and which IIT have decided to start online series at Eklavya on 26 September 2021? IIT Gandhinagar. Which day was celebrated on 27 September? World Tourism Day. Who addressed the first National Cooperative Conference on September 27, 2021? Amit Shah. Who has been elected as the head of the Audit Bureau of Circulation on September 27, 2021? Debrat Mukherjee. Which state's Naga cucumber has got GI tag? Nagaland. You can recognize it by Naga. Who won the Russian Grand Prix on September 27? Lewis Hamilton. Who has become the first Indian player to score 10,000 runs in T20 cricket on September 27, 2021? Virat Kohli. Who launched the Digital Health Mission on September 27, 2021? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Who won the Ostrava Open WTA doubles title on September 28, 2021? Sania Mirza, India, and Zhang Shui, China. Who has been appointed by the financial services company Mastercard as its global ambassador? Magnus Carlsen. Which country has named the cyclonic storm Gulab to rise from the Bay of Bengal on September 28, 2021? Pakistan. On whose death anniversary World Rabies Day was celebrated on 28 September 2021? Louis Pasteur. Who conducted the first successful test of the Akash Prime missile from Integrated Test Range Chandipur, Odisha? DRDO. Who took over as the 34th Director General of the National Cadet Corps on September 28, 2021? Gurbir Pal Singh. Which day was celebrated on 29 September? World Heart Day. On September 29, 2021, who became the first women Speaker of the Gujarat Legislative Assembly? Neema Ben Acharya. Where was the Bijoy Sanskritik Festival completed by the Indian Army on September 29, 2021? Kolkata. Which village of the MP has been chosen as the most beautiful village of the country by the United Nations World Tourism Organization on September 29, 2021? Ladpura. Who has been appointed new president of All India Management Association on 30th September? C.K. Ranganathan. Which day was celebrated on 30th September 2021 with the theme United in Translation, International Translation Day? On September 30, 2021, who has launched Landsat 9 satellite to monitor the Earth's surface? NASA. Which country successfully test-fired the hypersonic missile Hanasong 8 on September 30, 2021? North Korea. Which day was celebrated on 30th September with the theme Seafarers at the score of shipping future. International Maritime Day. On 30th September, who has been appointed as the external auditor of the International Atomic Agency, Energy Agency, India. Who has won the Ryder Cup golf tournament by defeating Europe on 30th September 2021? America. Which state's Judima rice wine has been given GI tag? Assam. Who launched the Nidhi 2.0 scheme on World Tourism Day on 30th September 2021? Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. On September 30th, 2021, how many scientists were awarded Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award for the year 2021? 11. Okay guys, it's all enough. Bye.